Hello everyone, now we are going to see our next case study on processor failure and troubleshooting in our subject of computer organization and architecture. So myself, Dr. D. Prabhakar, Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering. So first of all, what is processor? So processor is a heart of an computer. Okay, so nowadays there's so many processor available in the market. So now we are going to see that. So what are the things happen, or what are the things are moved to the processor failure, and how to troubleshoot that. Okay, so the pictures are indicated that, so processor failure and how to do the troubleshooting. Okay, the first fact is that overheating. So normally the processor are fabricated with the very small chipsets. Okay, so and also connected with the cooling fan. So the CPU or processor, so the processor, due to the heavy usage, or there is no time to start up, or there is no time to given any rest for the processor, so it goes to the overheating. So the overheating leads to processor die or processor fire. So how can we reduce this? So first we can put the system in a air conditioned room. And second thing is that, so more number of cooler fan attached with the processor. And next thing is that thermally advanced chases, so which means the heat will be absorbed by the particular material or metal. And last one is that, so we can clean the processor from the unnecessary dusters and debris. The next one is that, so aging. So aging in sense, so which means the usage, or mentioning the period of, that's a lifetime, so period of usage or lifetime. So normally the CPU, its lifetime is that 5 to 7 years. So we can utilize the CPU within that time limit. So otherwise it goes to die. So afterwards we cannot use within that our existing system configuration. So how can we overcome this instance? We go for upgrading new one with the latest technologies. So next one is that, so important one is that power surge or unstable voltage. So due to the lightning factor, or that power problem, or unavoidable power surge, okay, the system may goes to the uh, dead condition. So how to reduce this is that we can reduce the direct connection of the wall based power outlet. So we can better use spike buster or extension boxes. So then only we can save our processor from the unstable or the power surges. Okay. So next one is that, so motherboard issues. So motherboard is that, so motherboard contains large number of components. If one component fails, that leads to fire the entire motherboard. So it leads to the death of the, or damage of the total motherboard. So it includes the processor also. So better we can find out what are the particular component is not functioning properly, or it's reduce its performance. So we can monitor regularly and reduce the above set factor. So then only we can protect our system. So these are the things to affect the processor failures. And also we have discussed with some of the solutions, so how to overcome that the processor failures. So which means we are going to do the troubleshooting.